Today we discuss how to open ArcCatalog and add Shapefile or create Shapefile. So let's start. First we open ArcGIS and go to catalog, and here you select path. If you have your data, you select path and go to particular folder and you select here. If you want to add building, you drag here. Otherwise, if you want to add new layer or save file, so you right click and go to new and go to save file and create here save file. If you want to create file geodatabase, go to file geodatabase. If you want to personal geodatabase, so you also create here personal geodatabase.